Good day. This is AI mathematics. I can like do uh, SS1 scheme of work. The first topic we have there is number basis. But the first thing I want to introduce to you is that number. When we talk about numbers, we are talking about one, two, three, four, and so on. And basis. When I say like two, three, four, five, and so on, they are numbers. Now, when we talk about base, base is also a number, but its placement is just different. When we have something like this is base. You can see that these are numbers, and same also is a number. So, but even our daily transaction, our account balance, our age, anything you want to talk about numbers, we are dealing with uh, number base. But the base we are dealing with is base 10. But in all cases, they don't normally write it. That's why when you see 40 is in base 10. Either it's written or not. When you see 275 is in base 10. Either it's written like this or not is base 10. But apart from base 10, we still have other bases. That is the essence of this number basis. And I believe that some of you have been introduced to it in your junior classes, but this is senior classes now. So you have to do it as it comes. But the first thing I want to tell you is that we have ways, we have what we call expanded, expanded, expanded notation, notation, and extended notation. But in most cases, especially general mathematics, we usually use this expanded notation. Any number can be expanded. For instance, 40, nothing is written here, it means base 10. To expand it, you have 4, because 10 is there, you times 10 plus 0 multiplied by 10. Then you now start writing 0, 1, 2 from your right hand here. This is 0, 1. This is what we call expanded form of 40. If you have 275 like this is you write 2 first, you have 10 here, times 10 plus 7 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 10. But you don't have to forget to start with 0, 1, 2 from here. This is what we call expanded notation. But I will not touch extended notation now because further math students will talk about it better. This is expanded introduction to what base, because we are using this expanded notation in many of our solving. Now, we can convert from one base to another. We can convert from one base to another. And don't forget that base 10 is also known as what? Denary. Denary. Base 10 is also known as what? Denary. So, for instance, 232 base 4. Conversion of numbers to base 10. Conversion of bases. Conversion from other bases of other bases to base 10. Base 10 is also known as denary, denary or decimal, this 10, this 10. Now, if you have 2, 3, 2, base 4, please, base, when you are writing y, this base, don't write it like this, just write it like this. Then we have to convert to base 10. What you do is that you use expanded notation, which is a 2 multiplied by this base. We take this 3 times 4. We take this plus 2 times 4. Now start to 0 from right, 1, 2. Then you can see that 4 raised to power 2. Please, SS1, 4 raised to power 2 is not equal to 4 times 2, but 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4. I think you can see it. So it means that this, you write another line, 2 multiplied by 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, 4 raised to power 1 is still 4, plus 2, any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1, so which means times 1. 2 times 16, that will give us 32, plus 12, plus 2. When you write everything together, you can see that it was 46. So we have converted this to base 10 using expanded notation. All other numbers or bases can using can use base 10, this to convert to base 10. Then let's use another one, so that you, let's say we have I've done this now. Let's say we have 7, we have number 2, 7b 3a, 7b 3a base 12. You know, we can have other bases that are more than base 10, but whenever you have that, so what to do is this: just A, capital A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F is 15, and so on and so forth. So now this one now will not be, we take 7 times our base is 12 plus B. What's our B here? 11 times 12 plus 3 times 12. What's our A? 10. 10 multiplied by 12. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. I think you can see the way it's written. Then you now use, you can use calculator. In SS class, you are permitted to use calculator to press 12 raised to power 3 or 12 times 12 times 12. I think you have 1728. That's 7 times 1728, which means instead of 12, you have 12 times 12 times 12. This is the answer for 4. Don't forget. Then plus 11. You have known all this in your Becker preparation. 12 raised to power 2 means 12 times 12, which is what? 144. Plus 3 times 12, that's give us 36, plus any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1, which means 12 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 10, that's 10. So then you use your calculator, you multiply 1 by 1. This times 7, you have 12,096 plus 11 multiplied by 144, we have 1584 plus 36 plus 10. So that is a plus 096. That's 13,726. That's the base. Yeah, combined to base 10. Combined to base 10.